Hey, you guys, I'm back. I'm back at you with another Chipotle MukBANG. MukBANG, bang, bong. Starting early. Let's see, I'm starting early with y'all. Today I got a Chipotle burrito. I'm going to tell y'all what everything is in it. Water, the Chipotle chips, the Chipotle queso. This green sauce that I like at Chipotle. And don't forget the Chipotle guacamole. Mm, mm, mm. That is so good. Okay, let's get into it and let's eat because I am hungry and I came to smash. Today I got in the Chipotle burrito. I got white rice, chicken, onions and peppers, black beans, sour cream, corn, guacamole, lettuce in it. That bad boy big. Look at that. That's a beast mode. Ah, that bad boy big. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, I know I was told y'all to go upload every 2 days. Let me open this golden chicken. But I'm pushing it. It's like 3 days. I ain't upload for like 3 days. Make sure y'all can see that. Make sure y'all can see that. Mm. Mm. You know, the first bite is having, ooh, and that's spicy. Mm. Mm. To the Chipotle gods. Oh my god. Y'all, if y'all don't know, one thing about me is I love Chipotle and I love Mexican food. So, well, it might not be hitting it for you. It is hitting it for me. Oh my. Um, That's good. That's good, boy. Whew. Okay, let's get into this burrito. It's falling out. I'm opening up. Hold on, baby. Hold on, big baby. There we go. Oh. Mm-hmm. Talk to me. Talk to me. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's talk to me. So how y'all been? How y'all been? Y'all, I put a little guac. I put a little guac in it first. See, guac on it first, and then I dip it in that cheese. Perfect combination. Y'all might hear the babies in the background. They upstairs. They upstairs. So, excuse them if you hear them. Because they won't be quiet and they won't. Yeah, I'm gonna use this green sauce. Trying to get to a, so I can control that burrito. Wait till I can control it. So I can pour my sauce on there. I can't control that big baby. Here y'all. Now, what y'all been up to? What y'all been doing? What y'all been doing? Y'all got a little clip when we went to the Y. It's a 2-day clip that I'm gonna put out soon. And by the children and me and my sister, we went to the Y. And my nephew. And we did a little vlogging. I did a little vlog with my sister. I'm gonna put it out here. I'm gonna put it out. I'm gonna open this up. Baby. Cause I ain't gonna think I'm gonna be able to control this thing. We just gotta sit that bad boy out. Oh, this is hot, y'all. If y'all get it, it's called the green sauce at Chipotle. So I gotta start doing some of these challenges. Listen now, she got a whole bunch of challenges. But I gotta start. Tasty. Tasty MukBANG. Tasty MukBANG. Tasty MukBANG got all the challenges, y'all. I'm about to do. I can't wait. I think the first one I do, I don't know. I said I was gonna do the pickle and whipped cream, but I'm scared. I'm scared a little bit. You know, put a little bit of cheese in there. Yeah, just put a little bit more green sauce in there. Yeah. Yeah, I just eating off my shirt. I don't know. That thing was fire. My mouth hot. No. So I just came down to eat with y'all and do normal thing for y'all. Cause I know y'all miss me. Did y'all? Y'all miss me? I know y'all miss me. Y'all miss me. Y'all miss me. Yo, Mama G be doing the challenges too. Mama G World. I want to do that too. I be wanting to do a lot of stuff, and I be like, I'm gonna do it, and I never get around to do it. But I'm really gonna do them challenges. Cause I ain't no whip. I ain't no whip. I ain't no whip. My whole burrito falling out the back. Out the back. You know, see that? But I'ma land it up and I'ma eat it. Mm. Mm. This is the messiest burrito I had from Chipotle. The girl probably didn't know how to wrap it. Or is it me? I can't even tell at this point. Did I upload it with too much? Or she didn't know how to wrap it. Mm. With your Chipotle. It's banging, y'all. Mm. Close your eyes and daydream. Mmm. That's how good it is. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, let me see how I'm gonna do that. Mm. 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 That looks good. Mm. 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 Good. Yeah, that is so good. I told y'all ain't gonna get loud without somebody coming in there. Somebody. In the background. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I'm in heaven. I am in heaven right now. Y'all, let me tell y'all something. I was happy. When was that? I'm happy all the time, but what's today? The day is Thursday. Tuesday I went to the doctor to check my weight and all that, because y'all know I'm losing weight. So y'all see me eating this. But I don't eat Chipotle all the time and stuff like this all the time. And I lost another 7 pounds. So I lost another 7 pounds and I was happy. I was happy. Happy. I'm so happy and proud of myself. I didn't know what to do. I know my hair. Oh, that queso by itself is hot. Look at this burrito. It just fell all apart. It just fell all apart. But I had a fork. There we go. Put some more guac on top. Dip your little queso on the desktop. And put a little spice. Not too much, cause the girl will be hot. That was. This is so hot. I don't know what else to say, but it's yummy to my tongue. Yummy to my tummy. Yummy to my tummy. Let me put some of this stuff around here. Stuff around now. I don't think we eat all this. I don't think we eat all this. Thanks, so. Some black beans. Y'all go try some black beans. Get that iron in y'all. Let my chip fry. What y'all eating? Let me know what y'all eating while y'all watching me eat. Let me know what y'all eating. I know some of y'all might be eating Chipotle with So let me do one more bite for y'all. My sister cannot stop trying to take my shine. Always in the background trying to take my shine. Always in the background trying to take my shine. Look, she ain't go upstairs. She in the background trying to take my shine all the time.
Wait,
That's
shine.
why.
I got a shine.
That's why I don't let her do no mukbangs with me, y'all. Because she always trying to take my shine. Always.
You ain't got no shine.
Always, y'all.
You ain't got no shine.
And why you be in my background? Why you be in my background?
Because I was walking.
Ain't nobody telling her to be walking in my backgrounds. Yeah. You all up in my background. No. I just want to do. I'm getting tired too.
Mm-hmm. I got the itis.
Yeah, that Chipotle itis. I just want to. Yeah, I ain't gonna finish this, y'all. I'm not. This gonna be part of my last bite. Make your last bite your best bite. I know, hold on. I want the guacamole. I'm like, oh. That was good. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Yo, if y'all made it this far in the video, I know y'all love me. I know y'all like me. So, like, comment, subscribe to my video. And hit that notification bell. And it'll let you know when next time I'll post another video. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. That's all. I'm just trying to make a point, y'all. That woke. Chipotle. That guacamole on your hand. Let me see if I can find this other lid. I don't know what that. Oh, here you go. That was one of the wrong lids. Ooh, that hot. Ooh, hot by oh. Ooh. The wrong lid or that one. That's that hot sauce. Oh. I'll make this up. I'll eat that probably later on. Cause it was good. But I'm full. And I call myself starving, like I'm Marvin. It always be like that. You think you starving, you can eat a whole, well, I can eat a whole pig, I'm starving. And you stop at that. Yeah. You know, you feel like the curve, y'all. Well, y'all, I enjoyed your time with me. Check out your girl, watch your girl, join your girl, subscribe to your girl, you know? Yeah, I miss y'all. I'll be back soon in like a day or two, maybe 3. But I ain't gonna let it go more than 3 days without me getting back to y'all. Now, I ain't gonna say that because, you know, things might happen. Like, you said 3 days, you ain't gonna let... But, you know, if you hit that notification bell, you know every time I post. And I'm new to it, so I don't know how to do all that, you know, fancy stuff like posting to my community board. But I'm learning, y'all. I be hearing people like, I post this to my community board. And I be like, what is that? How you do that? I be talking to y'all YouTubers and they be talking back. Hey. But y'all, in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe to your girl. And I hope y'all enjoy this mukbang. Peace. I'm out. Love y'all.